In today's video, I am going to teach you how to use status property in Notion. If you've ever wished for a simple, built-in way to track where things stand from to do to in progress, to complete, the status property is designed exactly for that. It standardizes your workflow, keeps your team aligned, and makes it effortless to read the state of any task at a glance. Start by heading to your database. At the top of your database's properties, click the plus button to add a new property. From the list, choose Status. Notion will add a status column to your database and apply the default structure of 3 buckets: to do, in progress, and complete. This is the foundation of the property and gives you a clear pipeline out of the box. To tailor it to your specific process, click on any status cell in your database. Then choose Edit Property. Inside this panel, you can add new subcategories within those 3 buckets. Rename existing ones or reorder them to match your flow. For example, you might keep everything that hasn't started under To Do. Split active work into stages under In Progress, and list different finishes under Complete. Keeping names short and descriptive helps your team assign the right status quickly, and reordering them lets you place the most common options at the top so they're faster to select. Remember, the 3 main buckets remain the same. You are simply refining the subcategories inside them to mirror how you actually work. By default, the status property displays as a select style menu, which is great when you want nuance and consistency. However, you can also show the property as a checkbox for a more compact view. When you switch to checkbox view, Notion translates statuses automatically. Anything in To Do appears as an unchecked box. Anything in progress shows a dash to indicate it's underway. And anything in complete appears as a checked box. This is particularly handy in tight layouts or quick reports where you want immediate visual cues without opening a menu. Use the select view when precision matters and the checkbox view when speed and at a glance. Scanning are your priorities. That's all there is to it. Add the status property, customize the subcategories inside the 3 buckets to reflect your process, and pick the display that best fits your view. With a little intentional naming and ordering, your database becomes a reliable workflow tracker that everyone can understand instantly. Thanks for watching.